How's it growing? Tired of struggling with poor soil quality and low crop yields? Introducing Bokashi Bran, the probiotic solution that improves soil and plant health by diversifying beneficial microbes. With its unique combination of bran and effective microorganisms, Bokashi is a game changer for regenerative gardening. Here are 3 ways to use it. Number 1, kickstart your compost and suppress odors and disease-causing organisms. Number 2, make Bokashi compost to enrich your soil. Number 3, add it directly to the problem areas of your garden to improve plant growth, water retention, and the quality of your veggies. TeraGanix has partnered with Stax Urban Harvest to bring an exclusive offer. Using the link in the description and promo code Stax Urban Harvest, you can get a 15% discount on Bokashi Bran and other products. Let me tell you, as the brand ambassador for TeraGanix, I wouldn't promote any product that doesn't align with the vision, mission, and content of this channel. So not only are you getting a great deal, but you can trust that you're making a sustainable choice for your garden and the planet. Try Bokashi Bran today and experience the power of probiotics for yourself. To learn more about Bokashi composting, check out this other video. Live regeneratively and let's grow together.